This is the VersioningScript module for Agility Platform. Today we'll be showing how to use script versions to change the way a package views a script, a blueprint uses a package, and how a running instance is going to use that blueprint. Let's begin. We'll log into an Agility Platform instance, and today we'll be using the designer perspective to work with blueprints, scripts, and packages. And that's found at the top right. Now what you see when the designer perspective opens up is a list of projects that are available to you. We'll use the Freebird project. And as you can see under blueprints, I have one blueprint built called EHLO that has a Linux 6.3 workload in it with a single package, example script echo. And you can see that's version 4 of that package. That's already a versioned asset. If we take a look at packages and then drill into that script echo package, we can see, yes, this is the right one. This is version 4. We do not have any install or startup scripts. We have an operational script called Hello World, and that's set to use head. And that means instead of using a particular version of that script, it'll use the latest checked in version of that script. Let's take a look at the script itself. So Hello World, or example Hello World, is our script, and it's version 3. Now right now that's checked in, so we can't change it and we can't delete it. We want to make a change to that script because there's something that's not quite right. I can view it, but I can't actually change it. So if we drill into that and choose the script tab, I can see I'm trying to actually put in a new line between Hello World and with emphasis, but I didn't put in the -e after echo, so it's not going to actually work. So I need to add that -e and it'll work. The way we begin working on a versioned asset like a script is we'll check it out. And we choose checkout, and then we choose a location for that checkout. We can place it into a place where we can work on it, that's everything's worked on like Agility Factory. We'll just drop it straight back into Project Freebird. Now, when we look at Project Freebird and look at what's happened in the scripts, now you can see there's two icons, one for a lock and one for, it has a round blue icon. That's the one we'll work with. The other one is the versioned asset that's being changed. So we're going to work on the one with the blue dot, and now you can see we could change that. I can go to that script tab, I can add that -e like I'm looking for, and then I can choose save. Now it's saved, the script is saved, but we haven't actually checked it in yet, so the package doesn't know yet to use the new version. So we'll check it in, we'll check it back into Project Freebird, and we have an important informational message that pops up. Pending check-in approval. So we're not going to check in that asset until somebody who has check-in rights or approval rights says that it's okay, and that shows up in task list as well. If you look at the top right, we have an inbox that normally says 0, but now we have one item in it. And this would be seen by a user who has approval rights. We're running as admin here, but that might be broken out between a designer who has rights to create and an approver who has rights to actually approve. And you can see this is an asset type of script with an asset name of example : hello world, and we're trying to check it in from a source to a destination location. That should all look good. And we have the opportunities to approve it, to reject it, to view the asset to see what's going on, or just to cancel it altogether. We'll approve today. And we can see that request goes away. We can close the box. We go back to the scripts, and now we see instead of 2 scripts, we see the one with a green check mark that says it's checked in. If we go back to the blueprint, then we haven't made a change to the blueprint and we haven't made a change to the package. But if we drill into the package, into the blueprint, that's inside the blueprint, and then into the script that's inside the package, and take a look at the script, it's a little fuzzy, but you can see that -e is there. So yes, so the blueprint sees, the package sees the new version because we used head rather than a particular version. Now I created a running instance from this blueprint earlier, and that's running in a cloud, and we can click on the instance and we can see it's been running 16 minutes, and I like to run that operational script that was provided by the package. And we've got one script available to us, and it in fact has that -e. So that script has already been transferred up to the running instance. It's going to execute the script, and I see hello world new line with emphasis, which is exactly what I was hoping for. So as you can see, I don't have to make changes to the blueprint or to the package if I'm using head, which is a very powerful tool. All I need to do is check out and check back in that script, change the version, and then I'm good. Thanks for attending. If you'd like to see further videos, check out our SharePoint at Cloud Training. If you'd like more formal training, check out our site at aptraining.csc.com. And if you have questions or comments about what you've seen here, please contact us at training@servicemesh.com.